Hi, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl, Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you doing an unboxing. This is for the month of April 2020. This is for my April Boxycharm unboxing. So I did receive this in the mail today, and I wanted to unbox it with you. So if you're interested in an unboxing of my Boxycharm to see what I got, just stay tuned. Okay, so for you who don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly $25 subscription. This is $25 a month. It is a beauty box. So there are 3 different variations of this box. I actually get the Boxycharm and I get the Boxy Luxe as well, and then there's like a Boxy Deluxe or something like that. This is $25. I think the Boxy Luxe is $24, and then I think the other box is $50, but I'm not sure. But I will have a link down below if you are interested in receiving a Boxycharm after you see if this is the type of box that you like. So when you first open it up, it does say Boxycharm. It has the hashtags and things like that, and it has Boxycharm right there. It says hello charmers. It always comes with, well, it comes with the card sometimes, and then the products are just right here, and it always has this phone to cover the products up. So they did give me a card, so that is pretty awesome. It has a makeup eraser on here, so I guess this is just a product that will be in the box. And then it has this. It said Boxycharm Festival Vibes. So this is the card for it. It has the products in here as well as some things down below for you. So we're just going to see what's in this box. Alright. So the first thing we have is the Pores Instantly Appear Smaller. The Pores Professional. And this is 0.75 fluid ounces. This is how the packaging looks. And it says that this product is $32. This is a Benefits Cosmetic Professional Face Primer. It's $32. Quickly minimize the appearance of pores and lines for smoother than smooth skin. Okay, it says apply this silky lightweight balm alone, under or over makeup. Okay, it has vitamin E in here, known to protect skin from free radicals. Okay, so I'm not actually going to keep this, but I will go ahead and open it just to show you how it looks on the inside. But this is how the packaging is. Just a simple little face primer. It will go in a giveaway. So that's the first product, $32 for this one. So the next thing that I have the iconic London Illuminator. It looks like this. This is a pretty color. It says that this is $41 for this container. Like, this do some miracles, y'all. Some miracles for $42. That's almost 50 bucks. It says this concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop of this super concentrated shimmer glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. Okay, I might keep this since you can put it on top of moisturizer and it's just giving you a glow. Like, everybody wants to be glowing, baby. What is you saying? So I might just keep this, you know. So this is the packaging, and let me see if I can put a little on so you can see how it looks. It doesn't smell like anything, but this is how it looks. So once I put that in right, I think that'll be really, really pretty, because it's a really pretty pearly looking color. So I might just keep that. So the next thing we have in here is the Elms Superfruit Sisa Calm Cleansing Foam. Ooh, this is a big container. Okay, a cleansing foam. I love skin products, y'all already know. Since I'm not a makeup person, the skin products are awesome. This is $32 for this container. It says this unique foaming cleanser is packed with nourishing superfoods to help calm and hydrate skin while lifting makeup, dirt, and grime. The soothing formula helps to comfort skin caused by hydration and leave skin with a fresh look complexion. Okay, a fresh looking complexion, that is always a plus, babe. So I'm definitely keeping this, and I'm super excited to try this out. I received a mask from this same company, the M's line, and it was awesome. And it's also like a green tea type of mask, and I love it. So that's exciting to get. The next thing I have here are some 5-piece neon eye brush collection. It just looks like this, and I will go ahead and open it, but I'm not gonna keep it. It says lavish on the front of it, and these colors are really, really pretty. I might keep this because I do use brushes like to put my mask on. I use brushes to put between the parts when I do my wigs, and I put the foundation in there. So these are how the brushes are looking. Really cute and simple. I might keep them. I might put them in a giveaway. I don't know yet, but the packaging is really, really girly and cute, and I really like them. It says that these brushes are $29.99 for these, so that's inexpensive for these brushes. I think that's a good price. So the last thing we have in this box is this Illuminati Gel Paint Electric Pink. These are electrify your look with this gel paint in electric pink and electric blue. Wing it out for a dramatic look, or pop it in the inner corners of your eyes for a bold look. These are $42. $42. I'm not gonna open this because I'm not keeping this, but $42, that is a lot. Your eyes better flap off your face for $42 to get a wing. Like, baby, sis, I don't know about no $42, but I guess this is a good brand. But $42 though, $42. But yeah, that is my Boxycharm. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not too excited about it. It was just, I'm excited to try this cleanser. I think this is going to be fun. I'm going to try to do something with this. And pretty much that's it. Like, I can't really do the brushes maybe, but I can't really do anything with the other two products. So it's like this box was just okay. It wasn't anything that wows me like other boxes do. But I mean, I'm not going to cancel because these boxes think they slick. As soon as they send you a whack box, then you're like, ugh, I might cancel. Then you get another box and it's all awesome, but you ain't get it because your butt went ahead and canceled because you was mad because that one bad box. So I'm going to just go ahead and keep it. But it wasn't anything that was just like, oh my God, I can't wait to use this. But that is my unboxing for Boxycharm for the month of April 2020. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me at Instagram at Musics44. I will have the total amount of this entire box down below, so you can go ahead and see that or somewhere on the screen. Until next time, all my key bees and key dogs out there. Peace.